And we're back. This time I'm going to show you how to create a circle mirror effect in Photoshop. I've got this new image opened, I'll give it a new name to unlock it, and then I copy it by pressing Ctrl J. The original is just a backup in case we might need it. Let me crop the image a little bit. And now I create a new layer and give it a white color to have a background. And now I use the selection tool to make a selection of the model. Afterwards I click on select and mask, increase the radius and use the refine edge brush tool, especially where there is hair. When you're done, click on OK. On the left side I'll go a bit into the details. I use the brush tool, black and white color, and I paint on the layer mask of my selection. That looks good. I copy our selection once by pressing Ctrl J and then I apply the layer mask. Next thing I want to do is create circles, so I create a new layer. I use the ellipse tool and I hold Shift to have a perfect circle. We don't need a fill color. And I'll make the stroke black and increase the size to around 50, maybe more. Let me try 100. Ah, that looks good. Next thing is I press Ctrl A to select everything and then I position the circle into the center. I can copy it by pressing Ctrl J, then I press Ctrl T to transform it, and I repeat that process a couple of times. Now that's enough. I'll make sure to select them all, go to the first and the last one while holding Shift and left click. And then you can group them or simply merge them. Group by Ctrl G and merge by Ctrl E. Now I hold Ctrl and I click on the circles layer. Then I activate my image copy 2 layer and give it a layer mask. The layer mask is now the circle. As you can see here. Now I have to get rid of this middle link symbol so that I can only resize this layer. And the effect looks like so. We can go into the details in this case a little bit. At first I want to apply an adjustment layer, black and white, and then an adjustment layer levels, where I play a bit around. To make it look better, we can paint on the layer mask of our image copy 2 layer to get rid of the black color of this mirror effect. And now I want to improve the background a little bit. Open a new layer, I'll give it a gray color, like so. I add a noise, go to filter, and under noise, you can simply add noise. Maybe around 20% should be fine. I go once again to filter, blur, and then Gaussian blur. A little bit less, around 4 to 5 pixels should be good. And then I have another blending option. I guess darken is the best one here. I stick with darken. In this case I'm not really satisfied with the results, so I'm going to crop it once more and I'll play around with the opacity of the different layers. And my final result looks something like this. You can recreate the effect without black and white, without the cropping. It depends on the image that you use. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.